your own stuff. Okay, so I think one more thing I would want to show you is something on graphics design. So I use it very often when I don't want to spend too much time on making designs. So you can start making your own designs today, but it doesn't have a mobile application. You have to access it from your browser, like from your phone browser or from your laptop browser. But if you have a laptop, it will be easier for you. So you can decide to be making some designs, make some quotes or some kind of wishes to somebody or something like that. Maybe it's your friend's birthday. You can go there and find something and put their picture there, or maybe just find something that is wonderful and put there. So you just go to postermywall.com. So this is most of the designs you see on my platforms. I use Postermywall. It saves time, and good thing is you already have pre-made designs for it. So if you don't have an account yet, you can sign in here, because whatever you are working on, you need to be saving it so you can actually access it later. So what you're going to do is go to this place and you will see I'm already signed in here. So if I log out, I'm going to be prompted to sign in if I want to save any stuff. But that doesn't mean that you need to work without logging in. Okay, but then it's better you log in, so whatever you have designed you can still have access to it. So you can just log in with your Gmail or with your Facebook account and get access to the platform. It's free. Just a few things, that a few of the resources which they have there are not free. So if you want to get those ones, then we have no watermarks on the platform. So what I'm going to do, I want to design I want to design a quick fly about something. And the good stuff about this place is you can just type a keyword, and with that keyword, you can actually to uh, get so many templates, like multiple templates about what you want to do. Whether you want to do something for a Facebook page cover, whether you want to do something for a YouTube channel or Instagram post, whatever it is. So you just type the stuff that you want. For instance, if you are selling some products, okay, maybe let's say you're selling cosmetics products. So I'll just type something like cosmetics sale. So I want a kind of promo. I want to make a promo poster for cosmetics. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to have so many options.
Oh my.
So many options. So so many, like there are thousands and thousands of them already made. The main thing you just need to do is to customize them the way you want. Okay, so with
Wow.
this you can become a graphics designer of your own without actually using Photoshop or something. Most of our clients, though, we have our graphic design teams. Like if you want professional level stuff, this is good, but there are some kind of customization in design that some clients may want. You will definitely need to use Photoshop or Affinity Photo or something to do it. But if you want to, you can still get something wonderful and beautiful from this place. Okay, so you can select any particular template that you want, and though I didn't get something, if I don't get, if I need something that is going to have the cosmetic in it and I didn't get it here, I can just remove the sales and just put cosmetics. So sorry, I didn't spell it well, no wonder. It was like, it was like that. So yeah, so you can see something like this. So I like this one that is here, so I'm going to select it. There are so many other ones. You can see as professional as this is, you can see this one I'm covering now. If you use it to design something for the client is going to bless you real good. So you can see all these ones, like you can see how beautiful this stuff are. And you, as you keep scrolling down, you can see, and if you get a particular one and it's not exactly what you want to use, you can actually see suggestions of similar stuff. So for instance, I'm going to click on this, but I'm not going to open it in this window. I'm going to open it in a new window. So just right click and click on open link in new tab. So I'm going to open it in a new tab. The reason is because if I open it in this tab, it's going to lead me to where I'm going to design the stuff directly. Like if I click on this, I'll get this option. So if I just click on customize, okay, then it will lead me to where I'm going to edit everything in this place. Now, if I want to get, if this is not exactly what I want, but I want similar kind of stuff to it, as I have right clicked and opened it in a new tab, this is the new tab where I have opened it. Now, you are going to see other suggestions of similar kind of stuff that are in that particular category that you can use as a replacement. So if you have made a design for a client and another person sees it and be like, how can I do this stuff? How can I do this stuff for myself? And then that client you did it for refers him to you, and the person says, I want you to do similar kind of stuff you did for this person. So you just come to this place, open it in new tab, and then get these options, and you can select any of this one and do similar stuff for another client. So it's that easy. Okay, so here I'm going to customize every single thing. You can see I can customize every single thing. Whatever is written here, it could possibly might be my product and I want to change the name of it. So instead of SP40, I can just double click on it and change the name to something else. JK 756. Sorry, I was using the dollar sign. 756. Okay, so that is the name, and I'll leave 100% natural. Now, there's another problem you may be facing, and that is if you click on this stuff, you cannot move it. Even if you're hovering your stuff, you can't move it. Now, what you're going to do is when you click on it, this is your properties panel. Anything you select in this place, you come to this panel, this right hand side. You'll see all the things you can use to edit that particular stuff. Okay, so I'll just click on it. I can't move it because it is locked. Now you see this item is locked in place. Unlock to move it around. Now I'll click on this, unlock it. Once I click on it, it will bring this stuff. Now I can move this to any position that I want. So you can change all these things as you want if you want to change any of these images, assuming this particular image, you have a similar product to this one, which is here. First of all, I'm going to unlock it because it is locked. Now, assuming you have a similar image to this one, which is here, okay, this one which I'm moving like this, I'm going to change it. Now, what you are going to do is click on replace photo. You see an option here, replace photo, okay, or you can go to the properties panel side and you'll see the option here, replace. So once I click replace, I'll see an option to upload photo. If I click on upload photo, I'll see these are the photos I've uploaded before. So I can just click on upload photos and go to my desktop and select the particular one that I want to replace it with, and then do the replacement like that. So to just come here. Sorry, it's still loading. Yeah, it's there. So now I'll just have to, like when you want to replace photo, because of the initial design which was there before, the stuff is going to like automatically crop the stuff according to the size of the previous image which is there. Now it's going to open this crop photo tab for you, this dialog box. Now what you're going to do is it's going to be fixed initially. Now you can't move it, you can't extend it, but you can see there is a mouse here which we should actually get in this photo. Now I'm going to go to free. I'll click on free because it is in a locked position now because it is selected as square or 4x3 or original size. So I'm going to click on free, so it will give it the freedom to, gives me the freedom to resize it to any stuff that I want. So I can cover the whole size of the stuff, and then after that, click on crop. Okay, so just close this. Now I've replaced that image which was here previously in this place. So I can just resize it and keep it if that is what I want. I just use this as an example. So it's not like for cosmetic stuff. So if you want to undo this and go back to the previous one, you see the undo button here at the bottom left corner. You see undo and redo. So I'll just undo the whole stuff. Just keep clicking until it gets back to this position, initial position. Yeah, we have this now. So now when you want to export, there is an issue which you are going to face. Now you are going to see this stuff here, made with postermywall.com. Okay, now if I'm going to save and download this file, sometimes it is going to download together with that watermark. And there is one way to fix that stuff. This is download. I'm going to download it. All right. So if I just open the stuff and my, sorry, it's taking time. Sorry, let me open from my download folder. Okay. Okay, it's not coming with this one. The reason, I'll tell you why the watermark is not coming here. Because the watermark comes because you are not using a premium account, a paid account. So now the reason the premium plan is not coming is because the size of this design is in pixels. Now this is where you have the size of the design. Now maybe somebody will tell you, I want to do a Facebook cover photo for my business, like for my Facebook page. Now you have to get you go to Google and search for Facebook cover photo size. You will see the size of Facebook cover photo. That is 820 pixels by 312 pixels. So that is the size for Facebook cover photo. Now you just go back to this place and resize this design. Okay, and once you resize the design, there are some things which may not be in order, so you have to rearrange everything again. So now you go to this place, you have this size, just click on this pencil icon which is here. It will load your stuff. Now scroll down all the way to the bottom. Now you can directly select the cover photo from here, okay, or you can just go down to the bottom and click on use custom dimensions. Now it opens the width and the height for you. So this is the width. The width is 820 pixels and the height is, so yeah, the height is 312 pixels. So you just change it to pixels. If the initial dimension, most of the times the initial dimensions you will select will be in inches or in centimeters. So what you can do is you change that unit of the design to pixels, from inches to pixels. And how can you know how to change from pixels to inches? Just go to Google. Everything you need is in Google. Everything you need is in Google, though many people don't know. Many people just use internet for time pass. So just go to Google and type pixels to inches, or pixels to centimeters, or pixels to anything at all, or to meters, or to feet, whatever the conversion is. You just select any of them, because all of them are pixel converters. So I think I'll change it to inches to pixels, because there is one particular website which I usually use for this. Okay, yeah, unitconverters.net. This is the website I usually use. It's very easy to use this one. That's why I usually use it. So you just get the dialog box here, just like a calculator. So if I just put, if I have 24 inches, I'll just put 24 inches. I'll automatically get the equivalence in pixels, and I'll just come back to my design dashboard and put it in that place, so I can convert it to pixels. So once it is converted to pixels, you'll not be having made with postermywall.com on the photo again. The watermark will automatically disappear. So that is those are the two things I will be talking about today.